Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free advertising for you review video, I'm going to show you the steps that you can take in free advertising for you to get the most from the platform and make it an absolute success for you. And there'll be a link in the description where you can join totally for free. And what they do is down the left hand side, they've got a menu, and all you do is you click on this tab here, 9 steps to success. So what I love about free advertising for you is that everything is systemized. They've got a really great system that helps its members to succeed. So you'll see here how to succeed with FAFY. FAFY is the term they use for free advertising for you. So all you do is you just follow the steps here, and it says the steps here are just to get you started. There is more to FAFY than what you will learn in the below steps. But this is really the first thing you do is take these 9 steps, and it tells you first of all step 1. So we'll go through these, is getting your free advertising. And by doing this, you can claim over $50 in ads. And what you'll see here when you look at this, everything's laid out for you. There's a couple of different promotion codes, so you can choose between these ad packages. If you want to use the welcome promo code, then you will get this ad package. If you want this promo code here, so maybe you don't like solo ads, this promo code here includes a solo ad. So they're slightly different, and you choose which one is best for your business. You can promote MLM, affiliate marketing, crypto, software, home-based business offers, lead capture pages, list. You can build your list within here. So anything to do with the home-based business industry, you can advertise in FAFY. And I like it because you also get video tutorials. So this one here shows how to redeem your promo code and get your ads added to your account instantly. So it's just literally a 22-second video. So the owner Jason's really beginner friendly in how he helps new people get started. And step 2 is how to earn credits and qualify for the drawing. So Jason, the owner, does lots of different drawings where you can win traffic and you can also win cash. So you'll see here, he does daily contests. So he's here to help you build a business. He's here to help you get more traffic and get more money. He's here for you to help you promote your business. You'll see here all the weekly contests that he does. Look at $10 in cash. So lots of different, the bi-monthly contest. So $45 in cash if you're a VIP member. Shows you how to be a VIP member. Monthly contest. Step 3 is setting up your ads. So once you've got your promo codes in step 1, it says here the more ads you've got listed, the more often they will be shown. So it gives you a video here, a little video tutorial. Just lasts 2 minutes, but this is some people like video tutorials. Some people just like to read on how to set things up. Depends on what your learning style is. And that is how to set up your ads. He also gives you some important tips to make sure that your ads are seen by using the frame breaker test. That's really key. And the next step, step 4, is to upgrade to Pro ASAP, but it's also free. A lot of traffic sites, they charge you for the Pro upgrade. And Jason, what I really like about this is he gives you a free Pro upgrade, which gives you more traffic and more cash prize and more offers to more chances to win the cash prizes. So you can become a pro in as little as 2 days by earning all the activity points. So I'm a pro member. I'm going to upgrade to gold. And step 5 is what he calls the exclusive 1K club for free. So again, if you're someone that decides this is a great site and you're getting results, then you can be active in here and you can join the 1K club. Now the 1K club gives you more traffic, so you can send a solo ad out more often. It's there's more benefits to being. You'll see here, he's done a little chart here. There's more benefits to being a pro member and a 1K club member versus being a free member. So you set up your account, have a look and see what they are. Number 6, step 6 is to update your downline builder. So if you're the downline builder's got several other programs there. All you do is put your affiliate link into the downline builder, and you can join other programs within that downline builder for free, and that way you can earn commissions and credits within other platforms that you may be already promoting. So I added my Hercules and my traffic ad bar into the into the downline builder, and it gives you more opportunities when you refer members to FAFY of giving you helping you refer members to your other programs. Downline builders work really great, and you'll find that a lot of these platforms use them. It helps you build other platforms quicker. Update your profile links. So what you do is you've got a profile where you can add up to 5 of your favorite links. I'm not going to show you that here today, but that again is more free advertising for you. It brands you. You can put a photograph onto your profile, and you can add your favorite affiliate programs onto that profile link. Excuse me. Step number 8 is promoting your FAFY affiliate link. So you'll see in the description below this video, there'll be a link for you to click on and join free advertising for you. That's my FAFY affiliate link. It gives you all the affiliate tools, 15 splash pages. It gives you stats so you can see what's working within your advertising, and that's you can earn affiliate commissions as a free member by promoting your FAFY affiliate link. And if you look at some of my other videos, you'll see my cross promotion strategy for getting referrals and earning commissions. That works really well within other traffic platforms and advertising platforms. And step 9 is signing up for the newsletter and getting $250 within free advertising. So Jason doesn't bombard you with loads of emails in the newsletter, but what he does, he gives you free promo codes where you can use those to get more traffic. So he's very proactive. If you're willing to sign up for a newsletter, which I have, and it gives you additional promo codes, it gives you additional chances to win cash prizes, and there's just a link in there for you to click and join the newsletter. So they are the 9 steps for you to become the first steps to become successful. There's other steps you can take to become successful within free advertising for you. I'm really enjoying this platform. I'll just give you a quick overview here of some more benefits. Click the link in the description. It's totally free to join. You're going to be advertising to buyers within free advertising for you. because they do 3 paid upgrade options. I'm about to upgrade to gold, so if you'd referred me, you'd be earning a commission from me. So you're advertising to buyers within the platform, not just free members, and that's really important. I talk a lot about that when I'm showing you my advertising platforms and where to advertise. You can win cash prizes, and you can also earn affiliate commissions as a free member. So if you were a free member and you referred me, when I do my gold upgrade, you would have earned a commission. So if you want to stay free forever, which you can do, you can still earn affiliate commissions promoting your affiliate link and referring others. And if you look at some of my other videos on my cross promotion strategy on how to get referrals, you'll see how I actually do that. I'll also give you one-to-one mentoring and support because I use free advertising for you consistently to get traffic, leads and sales for my online business. And also please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video, a big blue thumbs up like, I'd appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey, and it will also, with the YouTube algorithm, help other people see this video and make money online as well. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon for my new videos. I do several new videos every week, new content, and I've now got over 330 videos on my channel. How to make money online with affiliate and network marketing. So it's predominantly the core fundamentals of how you make money online, which are the tools, the traffic and training. So you can't really make money online if you haven't got the right tools, and if you don't know how to get traffic, and if you haven't got the right training. So we've also got videos on list building, how to build a YouTube channel. We show proof of income within the platforms that I use, and everything is, it's like a one-stop shop for you. There's also some opportunities that you might be interested in as well that are working for me, and I've put everything into playlists. So you'll see here that I've got a free advertising for you reviews playlist. If you want to have a look at that, I'll put the this playlist, I'll pin it to the top comment below this video if you want to have a look at my free advertising for you reviews playlist. So if you've got any questions on free advertising for you, then please put those in the comments below. I answer all my viewers' questions. Any videos that you want me to create, any suggestions, put those in the comments. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.